I hope you are doing great. So quickly today I would love to discuss with you guys the importance of the weighing scale in the catfish farming business. As we all know that in this business we sell majorly by weight, we sell by how heavy your seeds, your catfish are, and the weighing scale helps us to get an accurate reading, an accurate weight, how heavy our fishes are. And we have two different types of the weighing scale. We have the manual weighing scale, and we have the digital weighing scale. You know, at this current time when things are very, very difficult, where to produce a 1 kg catfish is very, very costly, I don't see any reason why farmers will still be using the manual scale to weigh their fishes. I'm not trying to say that the manual scale is that bad, but if you want to get an accurate readings, an exact readings of the weight of your fish, you should go for digital weighing scale. Go for digital weighing scale. You can't afford to lose even 100 grams to these buyers during this time where things are very, very difficult. You can't afford to lose even 50 grams to these buyers, because one, they're not even buying at the price you are willing to sell, and you're still losing the weight of your fishes to them. You would notice that anytime these buyers want to come to your farm, even if they are to bring their scale, they would never bring in digital weighing scale to your farm. They would never bring in digital weighing scale to your farm. They only bring in a manual scale because they know they can manipulate things with manual scale. And you in your farm, you are seeing things of manual scale in your farm. I'm not saying the device is bad, but if you want to get an accurate readings of your catfish, you want to get an exact weight of your fishes, go for digital weighing scale. It can't be manipulated. Once it's well charged and you are buying from a reliable source, from a good vendor, you will definitely get a good one that will give you an accurate measurement of your fishes. I'm not saying those that have the manual scale should go and throw it away or sell it. No, you can still make use of it, but make sure you are making use of digital weighing scale so as to make you, maximize your profit in your farm. So to get an accurate reading of your fishes, go for digital weighing scale. You can get it anywhere. They can send it to you. You can go online and search for it. You can place your order online. They will bring it to you. It's easy as that. It's a one-time investment. It's not something that you're buying continuously. Once you are lucky to get a very good one, it's a one-time payment. It's a one-time fee you're paying. So that's the advice I have for you guys this morning. Go for digital weighing scale so as to help you maximize your profit, so as to help you get the accurate weight of your fishes when you are making sales. So that will be that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button on your YouTube. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel on Facebook. Kindly like my Facebook page, and if on Twitter, kindly follow me on Twitter. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.